Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. Apple will unveil its latest iPhone in just a few hours, but if you cannot wait until the official announcement, all four new phones have leaked in full. Thanks to noted phones leaker Evan Bloss, and he has shared some of the official Apple renders for all new four iPhone 12 models, which he claims will be called as the iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. Unfortunately, Bloss renders only shows off the front and back of the device, making it difficult to get clear view of the new squared off sides that are said to resemble the iPhone 4 design. But the images do give us a good idea what to expect from upcoming announcement. The new leaks confirm several details about the upcoming phone, including the new blue colors coming to the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max. Dark gray, white and a golden color option are also set to return. The picture also gives us the best look yet at the new LiDAR sensor that will be featured on both the devices. It's a dark circle underneath the right camera. The leaks also confirms that similar navy shade will also be available on both the iPhone 12 mini and 12, replacing the light purple shade that Apple offered with the iPhone 11. There is also a usual black, white, green and project red option. Lastly, the leaks gives a proper look at the reported 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini, which is said to be offer a smallest design of the iPhone since the iPhone 5, once that's even smaller than the Apple 4.7-inch iPhone 6 design, a design that is still using in the 2020 iPhone SE. While the leaks unfortunately lacks the scale to give us a good compression just yet, the phone definitely appears to be smaller than the standard iPhone 12. So guys, if you want to keep yourself updated regarding the iPhone 12 lineup, do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.